Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 26 of my PySimpleGUI lessons. In today's video, we're going to be introducing image elements. So first, let's import PySimpleGUI as SG, and then let's make the layout. Inside the layout, let's just simply put an image element. Let's worry about what comes inside later, and focus on everything else first. Read if event equals none, and we break, and then we close the window. Okay, let's run this to make sure. Okay, yeah. And then now let's talk about what comes inside these brackets. So for this video, we're going to be using three different pictures. These three, W4T logo 1, 2, and 3. The only difference is on the top left corner. They have different numbers, 1, 2, and 3 here. Alright. And lesson 26.py, this is the code file that we're using right here to write in. And then these are inside the lesson 26 pictures folder, and you can kind of see lesson 26.py as their uncle, since these two are in the same folder, and then inside this folder there are these. So now let's focus on logo number 1. So w4t logo01.png. Let's write that w4t logo01.png. For PySimpleGUI, it has to be PNG or GIFs. Other image files won't work. And then since this and the code are in two different folders, we need to specify where it is. So it's in lesson 26 pictures. Let's copy this. So like that. And then in front of this, we simply put a dot to symbolize lesson 26 pictures and the code lesson 26.py are in the same folder. So now let's run this to make sure it works. Oh wait, in front of this, we need to remember to put an R. R means you don't see these as a command, you see these as just normal symbols in the Unicode. So now we run this, and here's the image, 0, 1. So now if we want to have several images at the same time, let's say all three of these, then we can, since their name is really similar, only this last one is different, we can change this out for 1, 2, and 3. So let's make these into different ones and turn 1 into I. This way we can make a for I loop. For I in range 1 to 4, since this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not included since this is the last one. And then, but out here, we need to remember to write an F. F means everything inside curly brackets don't have to be strings. They can be anything else, like an integer or a float. So let's run this. All right, so all three of these are working. Let's expand on the curly brackets thing. Let's make a little experiment at the bottom here. Say someone's age is 15, and the age difference between this person and someone else is 5. And let's print this out in a sentence. So there are two ways. The most classic way is I am plus sign string age. This turns 15 into a string, and then plus this year. He is plus, and then we string the age difference, turn the integer into a string, and then years older than me. So let's get rid of the stuff on the top for a second and only print out this. Oh, I'm sorry, we forgot a plus sign here. Between every single different one, we need to have a plus sign. Now, it would be, I am 15 this year. He is 5 years older than me. Okay, another way to write this would be to use the method with f and the curly brackets. You can write I am curly brackets. Don't forget the f at the front or else this won't work. The f is outside of the string, but it's still the same color as the string. I am age this year, and then he is age difference, years older than me. So this is I am age would be 15 this year. He is 5 years older than me. It would be the same as this one. It's like the exact same, but as you can tell, this second line is so much simpler than this first one, and it's more compact. So for the sake of our lesson, we're going to be using the second type. Alright, let's get rid of this and put this back. Okay, so now let's run this. There would be 3 images, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. And now all of this would be the file selecting thing. If we want to make the images appear vertically instead of horizontally, then all we need to do is add square brackets like this, and then the images will appear vertically. You can hold down Control and move this like this to see the whole thing, because sometimes the images are kind of too big. Alright, that concludes lesson 26 of my PySimpleGUI course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, from novice to pro, work for tuition helps you grow.